Welcome. In front of me is a Vivo V40 SE, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, and from the bunch of toggles, locate hotspot toggle. For me it is visible on the first page, but you have multiple pages. And once you see this little toggle, hold it the first time around, as this will quickly take you to the settings. And here make sure you select hotspot password, as this is randomly generated on every device, so without navigating here you have no way of knowing what it is set to. Once you get rid of it, you can then choose your own new password, which will need to have 8 characters in length. Make sure you click on OK to save the change, and that's really the only thing I recommend changing in here. One more thing that I will point out is the turn off hotspot automatically, which is a toggle that means when you're done using your hotspot, it will disable it. Hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done with it, it's pretty nice that the device will remember to turn it off for you. But it might result sometimes with the kind of effect that you might still be technically using it, but you're just maybe reading some long article on a single web page, and the device doesn't detect any kind of data usage for whatever the timer is set to here. So it will automatically turn off your hotspot even though you're technically still using it. So if you encounter such a thing that your hotspot just turns off even though you're not done using it, it might be because of this option right here. Now anyway, let's find the toggle once more, and whenever you want to use it, just simply click on it to turn it on. And you can obviously also manually turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again once you're done using it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.